Hi guys, feeling myself today. Blending. And we're blending the white stuff on my face. Not really sure what it's going to do to the face, but it makes me look pretty. My edges are down. Putting stuff on my eyelids. I look kind of crazy and creepy. I wonder what they'd say at work if they saw me like this. Make sure we don't poke ourselves in the eyeball. No eyeballs poking today. Feeling myself. Have no idea what that rainbow stuff is, but rainbows are a good thing. We love rainbows. Rainbow fam. Brushes. Like we don't have enough brushes and palettes. Jeffree Star. Now I will admit I do watch Jeffree Star with my wife. He's rather interesting. So today we're blending. Ooh, and we're showing some eyebrow. Look at that gold. Or it might be yellow. I can't really tell which one that is. But still. Looks pretty with the skin tone. Ah, that's Life's Drag. Pretty decent palette colors. Now, I have been told there are different shades of yellow, but I must say they all look the damn same to me at this point. Just have to say. Again, more brushing. And I'm telling you, this palette looks like pumpkin spice. If I see more pumpkin spice butthole between Starbucks and everything else in right now, Lord have mercy. And then she uses it. Oh. But I have to say, it looks really good with this yellow she's using. So, I have to give her my compliments. See? She thought so too with that little head nod. She feeling herself right now, folks. She feeling herself a little bit. More brushes. Like we don't have all those brushes in front of you and you use the same one. I swear she has a cup full of brushes and she keeps showing you the same one. Look at her little ghetto dancing. Now we're putting white out on our eyelids. That's a new one. I think we're setting things, but I'm not entirely sure why we're putting white out on our eyelids. But I just go with it. Blending, not poking our eyeball out, even though we almost just did. That could have been interesting. Dancing. Jeffree Star again. And the brush with the spritz. And I'd be willing to bet that's the same brush that we just used. All the brushes we buy, all the blender sponges we buy, and she uses the same one. Jesus, take the wheel on this one. That's all I gotta say. Blending. Spritz. Blending. Now it kind of looks like a copperish, maybe? Not entirely sure. To me, you can kind of tell that one if you look at it really close. But I'm a guy, so we don't do makeup, and, well, I don't. I shouldn't say that. Some people do, so if you do, I ain't mad at you. Do what you do. But me, I have no idea what she is doing, and I have watched her do this plenty of times. So, I learn something new every time. Oh, more palette. I think that's that pumpkin butt spice thing. Palette again. They look very fallish. I will say that. Kind of makes you look pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie. And I have still no idea because it looks like it's touching the same part of her eyeball. Oh! Foundation. Which is matte. We always use matte in this house. I do know that. Now she's using this little sponge brush thing, and she sometimes uses a blender. I prefer the actual blender thingy, sponge thingy, compared to this thing, because this thing is weird. But hey, to each his own. Whatever she uses, she uses. Though I know for sure she uses matte. Some devilish looking symbols up on our face. Ooh, Jesus, take the wheel on this one. She should go to work just like this. They would die. I think I'd die. Blending, 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 blending. Not to poke her eyeball. Blending, blending, blending. But I'm going to make some crazy faces as I blend. And please, ladies and gentlemen, make sure you blend into your neck. There is nothing worse than seeing where your foundation stops on your chin. Elf. I like Elf. Now, Elf is very friendly. I will say that. They have some nice stuff. Because your boy low-key has a little blender splendors that sparkles and is black. And, yeah, it makes me happy. Surely let me play with it once. Ah, that's eyebrow filler. I know what that is. That fills up your eyebrows so they look more predominant. Even though she has pretty thick eyebrows, I don't really get why she would do that. But, you know. Look, she's smoking hot. Do you see the smoke? She's smoking hot. That's my wife, that's why. Oh, yeah. Giggity, giggity. Look at that eyebrows. Eyebrows? Eyebrows. Ooh. Eyebrow filler. Eyebrow filler. More, more, more. Now, I have no idea what in the heck that is for. But whatever it is, it blends in with what she has, and now she's using the eyebrow shaper. It kind of looks like a giant mascara wand. Oh, we're setting. Now we're setting. Setting, 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 blending, blending, blending. Setting, setting, blending, blending. Very, very fast. Very, very fast. Very, 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 very fast. Making sure we blend into our hairline. Ladies and gentlemen, again, that is very important. You want it to blend on together. You don't want to have two shades of face. Shade. No shade. No shade. Now we're showing our cheekbones a little bit, contouring our nose a little bit. And she have a cute little nose. So cute. She's so hot, she's smoking. Look at this. I should try to talk her into wearing a little red part of her nose. Like Rudolph. Again, Elf. So this is a little bit of blush. Maybe just a little. Just to liven up her cheeks. Now I cannot tell what that did to any of her makeup, but I'm sure it has a purpose. And the brushes again. I wonder if that's the same brush. No, it's not, because it's not as... That is, though. That is the same brush. That is the same one. Oh my goodness. Oh. Butt spice again. Ooh. I like that. We're making sure we don't poke ourselves in the eyeball. Well, we almost kind of did. Kind of made a bug-eyed face right there. Now she is going on her lower ash line. Ooh, here we go. Setting spray. Ooh, the cat eye. Now this is one of my favorite looks of hers, and I've never seen her really do it before. But Jesus, take the wheel. That is some talent right there. Not poking yourself in the eyeball. Ooh, I don't know how you all do this. It's a pain in the butt for me to shave, let alone be sticking something near my eyeball. Ooh. And that is liquid. Liquid is better, I think, than the dry, because the dry one looks like a giant pencil that you're sticking near your eyeball with a giant point. Not smart. Ooh, mascara, mascara, mascara. Again, let's not poke ourselves in the eyeball. Not eyeball, not eyeball, not eyeball, not eyeball. Ugh. Ugh. Ah, now we're doing lips. Lips, lips, lips. I do like that shade. Shade. I watch way too many drag queens with my wife to know these words. But hey, I am a comfortable man to say I like RuPaul's Drag Race, and I watch drag queens. So guys, don't be afraid to admit it. It's okay. Just making my lips look a little bit more luscious. Ooh, feeling myself. Da-da-da-da! The finished product. The Puerto Rican is feeling herself. Ooh, do I feel sexy? Wait till my sexy husband comes home. He's gonna like what he sees. Bye. Love you.